how to change font in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the style of font. First of all, open the application. Now here you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now you can import the image here. So I have imported one, and now here you can see this text option on the bottom. Simply tap on text. Now you can enter any of the text that you want. Now here on the bottom there are different font styles that are available. So if you swipe right here, you'll be able to see different available ones. So you can simply select the one that you want to change into, and as you can see, it has been completely changed. So select the style or select the font here and simply tap on this done button, and it's all set. So this font has been inputted here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.